So in this video, we are going to discuss another parts of speech, that is conjunction. As the name itself says, I always believe the name itself tells the meaning of it. So it is connecting junction. So as we go to travel somewhere, we find different stations. So similarly, when we want to connect two sentences, we want a station, that is conjunction, that connects us to two sentences. Okay, I would give you, they are bifurcated in three kinds. I would explain you each. First is coordinating conjunction. Now, as its name says itself, coordinating conjunction. In coordinating, what is happening? We are coordinating the two sentences, the two activities. So we would use such words for, and, but. But is generally used by many people nowadays. Yet, so, nor, or. So these are the words, coordinating conjunctions we call, to use to join two sentences. Okay, but is generally, I would give you a quick understanding of it. But is used for more of defensive. When you want to defend ourselves, we use but more often. Okay, I would take an example just after I explain you just three of them. Second is correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction is when you correlate between the sentences, between the activities, between the happenings, you use correlative conjunctions. Likewise, both and, either or, neither nor. So some call it neither as well. So it stands the same, either or, neither nor. Not only but also. Whether or. So these are the example of correlative conjunctions. Third is subordinating conjunction. As the name says itself, subordinating in the sense you are trying to show less importance to some activity. So then you use subordinating conjunction. All right. Now I would take what are the words we would take help of? Even if, after, because, before. Then we would take help of as soon as much as long as, by the time, as if, and such other words we take help of for explaining subordinating conjunction. I would take example sentence of each. Like for coordinating sentence, I would say, I would attend college and dance class. So here what has happened, I have added and to both of the activity. I have taken help of coordinating conjunction. In the correlative conjunction for the similar sentence, I would say, I would either go to college or dance class. So I have joined two activity by just putting either or in the sentence. I can also say I would either go to college or I would go to dance class. I can also add I would over here. That is your choice. You want to add it repetitively or not. I did not add it in both the cases. I would attend. I can write it over here as well. And same with I would either. Now let me take example of the third one, that is subordinative conjunction. I would go to college before I go to dance class. So I have taken one example to make you understand how we can frame the sentences with different conjunctions. Okay, here I have used the word before from the subordinating. Here my one activity is more important and other is less important. So I can say I would go to college before I go to dance class. So this is important and this is less important as I have framed. If I reshuffle it, if I write it, I would go to dance class before I go to college. So here the first important things becomes dance class. So that all depends how you frame the sentence, how you use the conjunction. It shows your importance in the sentence, correlation and coordination of your speaking, writing and everything. Okay, so be careful in using conjunction. It states a lot of thing into it. So this way we would talk about certain more concepts ahead. Thank you.